Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by welcoming the client and clarifying expectations for deliverables and timing. Collect their KPIs and pick one primary metric to improve first. Request access to add accounts, analytics, and brand assets within 48 hours. Set a testing timeline of 1 month for initial results and 90 days for full optimization. Explain reporting cadence and communication channels before you begin any work. Confirm budgets, audiences, and creative approvals to avoid delays during the first month. Build campaigns with segmented audiences and consistent naming conventions for easy analysis. Allocate an initial budget of $0.00 per channel to gather statistically meaningful data. Launch 3 A/B tests simultaneously to compare creative, copy, and targeting variables. Optimize toward a single conversion event like lead form completion or a dollar sale value. Monitor learnings daily and pause losing variance after clear statistical differences emerge. Record results in a shared dashboard and summarize the 4 most important takeaways weekly. Provide a concise weekly report that highlights the primary KPI change and 3 action items. Use a shared dashboard to show metrics like CTR, conversion rate, and cost per acquisition. When a variant wins, scale budgets by 20% every 7 days while watching CPA closely. Reallocate spend from low performers to winners to maintain efficiency. Build a 90-day roadmap that shows projected ROI, milestones, and contingency actions. End each month with a client meeting to review results and agree next steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.